Hey there, gamers! Welcome to Alaab Live, a platform where you can play, earn, and grow. Whether you're a gamer, a host, or an agent, there are multiple ways to make money while having fun. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. Alaab Live is an interactive platform where users open rooms, host activities, and engage in games to increase their earnings. Imagine hosting a room, playing your favorite games, and getting paid for it. The more active your room, the more you earn. Sounds pretty good, right? So, how exactly do you make money on Alaab Live? There are 4 major ways. First, become an agent. Recruit new users and grow your network. The bigger your network, the more you earn. Second, become a BD or business developer. Help expand the platform and get rewarded for your efforts. It's like being at the forefront of a growing community. Third, become a currency trader. Facilitate in-game transactions and make a profit. It's a bit like playing the stock market, but way more fun. Lastly, invite game users to recharge. The more users recharge, the more you earn. Simple as that. And just to give you a quick idea, $1 equals 3,800 gold coins, and 1 diamond equals 1 gold coin. Now let's talk about room activities and earning potential. Hosting room activities is a powerful way to increase gift income. The platform even promotes rooms on the homepage banner to attract more users. More users mean more gifts, and more gifts mean more earnings. But how do you get your hands on your earnings? Agent income is settled twice a month on the 1st and 16th. Right now, there's no direct withdrawal function, but earnings are distributed through the system to major agents. It's a bit of a workaround, but it does the job for now. And here's the exciting part. Alaab Live is still growing, and new features are on the way. Soon, agents will be able to directly invite users and enjoy even more earning opportunities. So, keep an eye out for those updates. Ready to start earning on Alaab Live? Check the invitation link in the description and join our Telegram group for support and updates. See you inside. Join Alaab Live today and start turning your gaming passion into income. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's grow this community together.